Hey everybody, welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. This is our meteorology segment, and I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-A-Mash. If you didn't check out our space weather videos today, check them out. They are spectacular, crazy stuff going on in all kinds of different arenas, including geomagnetic unrest and oddities around the Caribbean. First thing we're looking at when it comes to meteorology are the jet streams. Probably the best predictor you can get of global weather patterns. We've got some big bends here in a doubled up jet stream south of Australia. And a more coherent jet stream with a huge divergence here over the central Pacific. Looks like some cold days in southeastern Australia there. Some Antarctic air making its way up. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. And leave us a comment if you're located on this side of the planet. If you've got any particular forecast you'd like us to do, let us know in the comments. We will consider doing weather reports on request. Here are the surface winds of the western world. And how about the jet streams? It's the 250 hectopascal winds from nullschool.net. Huge bends here over the Atlantic Ocean. 180-degree bends there over the central Atlantic. And some oddities here over the U.S. jet stream. A huge bend here as well, a big kink across the southern portion of the U.S. Anyway, let's continue on to look at some forecasts. Here's your positive snow depth change forecast for the next 3 days. It's a 72-hour GFS positive snow depth change forecast. Snow depths here listed in inches. So 72-hour forecasts are pretty legit. It looks like most of Pennsylvania, at least the part I'm in, which is Lehigh Valley, located right about there, will be largely missed by these incoming snows. Next, I just wanted to show you the Euro forecast for the next 3 days, but first, let's take a look at the Green Bay webcam. Looks like it might be done snowing there. Some different views here. Anyway, some views of the lake and so on. So this is your next 12-hour forecast based on the European model. Let's get rid of these webcams real quick. Webcams? All right, they're staying there. I don't know why they didn't go away. Anyway, there's the next 24 hours for positive snow depth change. And there is the next 3 days. So a little bit of a difference in the forecast there. European model also expecting Lehigh Valley to not get any snow. And the Rockies to get some snow. Just so you know, the snow extent isn't that high. This is the two-dimensional view of how much snow is on the planet, at least for the northern hemisphere, and it's actually at quite low levels here. It's like 1 standard deviation above normal. I mean, below normal, rather. But the snow mass volume, the snow mass balance is well over 1 standard deviation above the 30-year average, which this 30-year average needs to be changed because this is the 6th consecutive winter in a row with extremely high, record-breaking northern hemisphere snowfall. Next, looking at your weather.gov map, we've got some blizzard warnings there in North Dakota and Minnesota. Don't get lost in a blizzard, folks. You might lose your way and turn into a human block of ice. Cold. It's pretty dangerous. It will kill you outright. If you freeze solid, it's bad for your health. If your county's lit, click your county on weather.gov. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Quite a bit of lightning here over South America, some over the central Atlantic. That's the view from the GOES 16 East. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. And we show it daily because we stream these videos live to Twitch. Twitch.tv/Smash-A-Mash is the location of most of our live streams. We do YouTube live streams as well. But we do daily ones on Twitch because the platform is so good. Twitch.tv/Smash-A-Mash, again, is the location. And let me check the life of the stream here. Everything looks A-OK. Red split rail fence. I heard you were trying to get a date with AOC. Haha, just kidding. But good morning. Cheers. Is it snowing where you're located? Let us know in the comments. Twitch.tv/SmashoMash is where we do most of our live streams. Look for one coming soon to YouTube. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers, this video should be appearing there. And if you're appearing there, appear on our YouTube channel and view the videos on YouTube as well, because you're missing 90% of the content if you're not viewing on YouTube. If you want to support the channel, become a member of the Smash Team, smashomash.com/SmashTeam. We sent out an email push. Yeah, we've got an email list, folks. And we sent out an email push citing the fact that geomagnetic unrest was expected and then arrived. That's for only paid members at the gold or silver subscription level. Smashomash.com/SmashTeam, links below the video, as well as on the homepage, smashomash.com. Smashomash.com, providing information that nobody else does because they either can't, or they won't, or they're contractually obligated not to. Here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest body of water. It's kind of important because water plays a crucial role in things like atmosphere and climate. Were you aware? It's also a huge heat sink due to the high heat latency of water. Check out this low. It's surrounded by a bunch of dry air and likely to weaken as a result. It's rotating counterclockwise, though, an indication that it is at least a relative low for the Northern Hemisphere. Next, your radar.weather.gov map. We'll zoom out briefly here to view all 50 states, including the North Shore. Shout out to our viewers from the North Shore. Are you up there drilling? I heard oil shale has come back online as a result of oil reaching $90 per barrel. Yeah, Saudi Arabia tried to shut it down, and they were successful in 2020. Now oil shale coming back online rapidly. That's your U.S. Doppler radar. Here's your shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to use the visible satellite. Quite a few low clouds here over the Atlantic seaboard and the Gulf, especially the southern portion of the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the water vapor and a large band of dry air there stretching all the way from Newfoundland to Baja California and beyond. And you can see some interesting mixtures happening here, some turbulence in the airspace over places like New Mexico. If you flew over that area, you would experience some turbulence. Here's your recap, starting with the U.S. Doppler radar. There's the shortwave radiation, and here's the water vapor map. Thanks for tuning into our meteorology segment. Thanks for letting us know, Red Split Rail Fence, that you're located in Florida. Cheers! We'll talk to you soon. And make sure you view our daily space weather videos. If you don't, fascinating stuff going on in the realm of space weather. In the meantime, I'll have been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashomash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.